Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead online co-op. While Cuphead does not feature native online multiplayer, you can easily enjoy the game with a friend over the internet using Steam Remote Play Together. This fantastic feature allows you to stream your local co-op game to a friend, making it feel like they are right there beside you. The best part is that only one of you needs to own a copy of Cuphead on Steam to get started. To begin, first launch Cuphead directly from your Steam library. Once the game is running, open the Steam overlay by simultaneously pressing the Shift and Tab keys on your keyboard. From the overlay, locate your friends list. Find the friend you wish to play with, right-click on their name, and select the Remote Play Together option to send them an invitation. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Once your friend accepts the invitation, they will instantly begin streaming your game. For them, it will feel exactly like playing local co-op, even though they are in a different location. They can use their own preferred input device, whether it's a game controller or a keyboard and mouse, to control their character. Steam Remote Play Together handles all the technical aspects, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience for both players. For the best possible online co-op experience, a stable internet connection for both players is crucial. We highly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible, as it provides superior stability and lower latency. Additionally, closing any unnecessary background applications on both computers can free up valuable system resources, ensuring Cuphead runs as smoothly as possible during your two-player adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.